The gyroscope, a seemingly simple device, holds within it a universe of mechanical ingenuity. Its elegant dance with physics reveals principles that underpin technologies we rely on every day. A lone inventor toils tirelessly, driven by a vision to harness the gyroscope's power for unheard of applications. His workshop, a haven of innovation, is where the future takes shape, gear by gear. The bustling city of Ethelberg awakens a symphony of steam and gears greets the dawn. Here, amidst the towering clockwork structures, the gyroscope's influence is subtly interwoven into the very fabric of daily life. A daring airship soars through turbulent skies, its navigation system reliant on the unwavering stability of a complex gyroscopic mechanism. The fate of the voyage rests on this intricate piece of engineering. Beneath the waves, a mechanical submarine glides silently, its course guided by a sophisticated gyroscopic compass. The mysteries of the deep unfold before its portholes. In a grand ballroom, a clockwork ballerina pirouettes with breathtaking grace, her movements perfectly balanced by a miniature gyroscope embedded within her frame. Art and technology intertwine in a mesmerizing display. A daring inventor showcases his latest creation, a gyroscopically stabilized monocycle capable of traversing even the most treacherous terrain. Innovation knows no bounds. Within the depths of a hidden laboratory, a brilliant scientist experiments with gyroscopic fields, seeking to unlock the secrets of anti-gravity. The pursuit of knowledge leads down uncharted paths. As dusk descends, a lone watchmaker meticulously assembles a delicate gyroscopic escapement, ensuring the flawless precision of a masterwork timepiece. Time itself bends to the will of the craftsman. In the heart of a bustling factory, colossal gyroscopic stabilizers are forged, destined for use in massive construction projects across the globe. Engineering on a scale never before imagined. A team of archaeologists unearths an ancient artifact, a perfectly preserved gyroscopic device from a long-lost civilization. The secrets of the past are poised to reshape the future. Driven by a thirst for adventure, a daring explorer utilizes a gyroscopically stabilized backpack to scale the sheer cliffs of a forgotten mountain range. The summit awaits. Within a secret underground facility, engineers race against time to perfect a gyroscopic weapon capable of neutralizing any threat. The fate of the world hangs in the balance. In a remote observatory, a dedicated astronomer uses a gyroscopically stabilized telescope to peer into the farthest reaches of the cosmos, unveiling the secrets of the universe, one star at a time. Amidst the chaos of a battlefield, a skilled medic relies on a gyroscopic stretcher to safely transport wounded soldiers to the aid station. Hope amidst despair, stabilized by ingenuity. Within a high-stakes gambling den, a cunning card shark uses a gyroscopic device hidden in his sleeve to manipulate the odds. Fortune favors the deceitful. In the heart of a clockwork city, a mysterious figure uses a gyroscopic device to control the movements of colossal automatons. The puppet master pulls the strings of fate. A renowned scientist unveils his masterpiece, a gyroscopically powered flying machine capable of traversing continents in a single day. A new era of transportation dawns. Deep within a forgotten library, a scholar discovers an ancient text detailing the true origins of the gyroscope. A secret history revealed. As the sun sets, a lone lighthouse keeper relies on a gyroscopic mechanism to keep the lamp steady, guiding ships safely through treacherous waters. A beacon of hope in the darkness.